Log in to your Yoroflow account and select your license. Then navigate to Process Management. To see your existing forms, click Process Form List from the Process dashboard. To create a new form, click Create Process Form. You'll be prompted with two options, Manual Form and AI Generate Form. Select AI Generate Form to continue. Enter your prompt using text or upload an image. If you'd like a multi-page form, turn on the toggle, then click Next. On the next screen, review the AI-generated fields. Select the fields you need, adjust control types if necessary, and enable the toggle for mandatory fields. Click Next to proceed. Choose your preferred form layout by selecting how many columns you want to display. Now, enter the form details, including the form name and description. To make the form public, enable the Public Form toggle, then click Generate Form. You can preview your form here. If you need to make any changes, you can do so at this stage. Once done, click Save. Your form is now ready, and you can access it anytime from the Process Form list.